everyone, Stephanie here, and I have an unbagging today. I don't know what this is. It says it's from Richard Maya Fashion Accessory Bazaar. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, how cool! So it says it's Danielle Nicole Ravenclaw Uniform Clutch, color blue. This is gorgeous. I didn't even know Danielle Nicole, how out of it am I, that I didn't even know Danielle Nicole had a Harry Potter collection. Look, it says Danielle Nicole. It's a really soft leather. This is embroidered, the Ravenclaw crest. And then this is a shiny blue and a shiny white. And then this is glitter and embroidery. The tie. It's an envelope clutch. Oh, cool. And it has like a crossbody. And then the inside is like a gray. And says Harry Potter Danielle Nicole on a little leather piece. And then there are card pockets for 1, 2, 3 spaces. How cool is that? That's awesome. Is there any other information on here? No, not really. It says it sells for $48. That's so cool. Well, we'll have to go check out the rest of the Danielle Nicole Harry Potter collection. And I'm really excited to use this. How cool. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos like this one, click subscribe and leave me some comments in the comment box below letting me know what your favorite Harry Potter accessory is. And I'll see you next time here on Fashionably Nerdy. Bye.